Hey everyone, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So today I'm going to do another haul video. Yeah, I know, another haul video. You just did a Daiso haul video, girl. Yes, I know, but I went shopping online and I got a few products that I wanted to share to you, of course, because as I always say that you might be interested on some of the products that I got. And like for example, to me, when I love watching haul video because it gives me an idea on what I would buy next. Yes. So like I've said, I went shopping online. I shopped at Amazon.com, Colton JP, and I also went shopping at Google Store. Yeah, so pretty much the products that I purchased are very new to me. I haven't tried them yet and I'm so excited to try them all. Really super excited. So if you want to see what I got from this haul, guys, then just keep on watching. So I guess I'm going to show to you first the most exciting thing or product that I got. For me, this is so exciting. I'm so excited to try it and use it and have it because I've been wanting to get this one for the longest time ever already. So the first one that I got, this one that I got from Colton.jp, and this is the one that I got from there. It's a gel nail art kit, you guys. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to have my own gel nail kit. So these are the things that are included in the kit. You have your, I think this one is for free. You have your metallic temporary tattoo. Actual kit really includes this brush. You also have your acetone and then your gel cleanser, yeah, and it also includes this aloe vera cuticle revitalizer oil. What I love about this gel nail kit is that they made me choose my own gel nail colors. For this particular kit, you will get 7 color gel nails and you have 1 clear gel nails, but I have 9 in all because I added another clear gel nail. So yeah, this is so amazing. I think I only paid 5,000 yen for this entire kit and I have a lot of gel nail colors here. I'm so excited to try. So this is what includes in that kit, and they also included a lot of nail art stones in it. Yeah, a lot of designs and some palette, nail art palette, and the kit also includes this nail pusher, a buffer, and an orange stick. And oh my gosh, you guys, you will not believe this, a ton of glitters. Big, small, fine glitters. You have it. I don't know how many glitter jars included it, but there are a ton of glitter glitter colors, and as you can see, there are a lot of colors. And they also included this one. I don't know, I think this is a brush separator or something. And of course, the most important of all is that it has this LED lamp included. For 5,000 yen, it's not bad, right? You already have your LED lamp and all those gel nails, arts and stuff. So I really am excited to try this one. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to do this on my nails. Oh my gosh. Then I also got these brushes from Colton.jp as well. These are very affordable, guys, and I have this on free shipping. This only cost 900 yen. Oh my gosh, 900 yen for these 10 brushes, and I tried this and it's very soft, you guys. I totally recommend it. It's so freaking soft. I'm so excited. You have 10 brushes for just 900 yen. How exciting is that? And then I also got my all-time favorite moisturizer. Moisturizer of all. I got a ton actually, because it's pretty hard to shop online at Colton, especially for this particular one, because it takes 2 to 3 weeks for it to arrive. And for this one, I paid for shipping, so I need to buy a lot so that I could save up on shipping. So I know you might be thinking that I'm crazy, but I really bought a ton of my favorite moisturizer, like this many. Oh my gosh, I bought 10 of this, and because this is my favorite, I always try new moisturizer on my face, but nothing really beats this moisturizer. It's my all-time favorite. Whenever I try a new one, it always breaks me out, like here, as you can see, I'm breaking out, and it really clogs my pores whenever I try different one. So I always go back to this one, my favorite. It's from the company called Ouryani, and it says Sin Ake. This one has a synthetic snake venom in it. It helps in effectively minimizing my wrinkles here, my fine lines here, and it also helps in preventing those fine lines from appearing on your face. So I highly recommend this if you're looking for an anti-aging moisturizer, or something that would help minimize that wrinkles, fine lines. Oh my gosh, this is the bomb. And this is a Korean product. I really love Korean products. So the next one is something that I am so also excited about, and dang to today, yes, oh my gosh, finally I have my hands on this Morphe brushes palette. And I got, I don't know, I forgot the one that I have. I think the one that I got is the 35T, because initially I wanted to get the 35O, and it's always out of stock, so I just decided to get the 35T, and then the 35B. So this one is the 35B. It's very colorful, and I don't have a palette like this before, so I'm so excited for this one. And the other palette is the 35T, which is a taupey neutral eyeshadow. So this is the palette, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Even though I did not get the 35O, but still I'm pretty excited with this eyeshadows from Morphe. So these are the two shadows that I got from Morphe brushes, and I got mine from Amazon.com because it's much cheaper there. Tried buying it from morphebrushes.com, but oh my gosh guys, the shipping is just unbearable. It is more expensive than the actual product, so I decided I just get it from Amazon because it's much cheaper there. And yeah, pretty much excited for this palette. And I also got a couple of eyeshadows from a brand that is new to me as well, and I believe I've seen a lot of people on YouTube using this, including Promise Fan. I saw her use this particular product. So the one that I've been talking about is this one from City Colors. It's from the brand City Colors. I think I saw my YouTube friend using this one. I don't know, I forgot her name. I think it's Sharon. Yeah, I think she used a City Colored makeup on her video. And then I also got this contour shades and highlight from City Color as well. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It's pretty damn affordable, you guys. And I also got this blush palette from City Colors as well. I tried swatching it on my hand, and it is really pigmented, you guys, and for the price you cannot beat it. It's very affordable. So I'm new to this one, the City Color brand, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited with everything. Yeah. Then I also got their Photo Chic Dark Spot Corrector. This is a peachy concealer, under eye concealer from City Color still. Yeah, pretty much excited. I haven't opened this one, I haven't tried this one, I haven't touched this one, but I'm so excited for that. And then I know this is nothing new to you. Of course, of course, of course. Lashes again. Yeah, you may be thinking, oh girl, you have a ton of lashes already, why are you buying another lashes? Well, actually these two are mink lashes. I'm so excited to try mink lashes. I haven't tried mink lashes before. These two are a little expensive. I know mink lashes are a little expensive, but look how pretty are they, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for my mink lashes. And then I also got this Ardell Demi Wispy. Then I picked another Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge because my old sponges were so ugly and destroyed already, and I've thrown it away already because it's just so ugly. Sometimes I forget to wash them. That's why they turned ugly and so damaged. So I got one. This is very affordable as well. Then I went shopping at eBay. Actually, it's my first time shopping at eBay, and it's my first time using my prepaid Visa card. Yeah, because I always buy my Amazon prepaid card, or I always pay at the convenience store. But I finally got the chance to use my prepaid Visa card, and so I tested buying it on eBay, and this is the one that I got from eBay. Oh, lashes again. These are so beautiful, you guys, and it's so darn cheap. I think all in all, I only paid $2 for this one. Yeah, for 5 lashes, and these are not plasticky lashes. This one feels like human hair something. Yeah, but it's so wispy and long. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to buy another eBay lashes again. But the downside of this one, buying from eBay, is that it ships super slow. Like I waited for this one to arrive for like 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah, it was so slow. I don't know if there are other shipping options, but yeah, it's just $2. Oh my gosh. Then I also got a pencil brush from Blank Canvas Cosmetic. I've been wanting to buy a pencil brush that is not so expensive like the MAC pencil brush and Sigma pencil brush. This one is from Blank Canvas Cosmetic, and I've learned from this brand from my favorite makeup YouTuber, which is the Makeup Chair, Sinead Katie. And I believe that Blank Canvas Cosmetic is an Irish brand, so it's very affordable, you guys. I think I paid like £8 for this one, so I'm pretty much excited to use my first ever pencil brush. Yeah. Then I also got this light adapter for my lighting. Yeah, I bought 2 of these and I already used the other one, and I haven't used this one yet because I need to buy more lights to put inside here. So yeah, this is pretty handy and it's very affordable actually. Yeah, I got this from Amazon.jp, and yeah, you really need this one if you are making a YouTube video, so that you know you have a good lighting for your videos. Yeah, I'm going in circles, but yeah, I totally recommend buying something like this if you cannot afford buying that actual light box, which is so expensive, you guys. And last but not the least, I also went shopping at Google Store. I know you may be wondering, what did I got from Google Store? Yeah, what is it there at Google Store? Wanna know? Drum roll, please. So this is the one that I got from Google Store. It's the new Nexus 5X. It's from LG. Yeah, So this is how it looks like. It's so pretty. I got the color ice. It has 3 color variations: carbon, white, and ice. So I got the one in ice, and it's so amazing. I think Nexus 5X was just released last year, sometime around October last year. It's pretty new actually, and I'm so excited. I love Nexus. Yeah, I really love Nexus. We even have Nexus 7 tablet, and that one is much better compared to the iPads. Yeah, much better. So I think I got the 32 gig one. Yeah, and what's exciting about this, guys, is that it has a 4K video. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, it has a 4K video, and I think Android phones are much user-friendly compared to iPhones. I'm so tired with my iPhone actually. Yeah, so excited for this one. So I guess that's it for this video, guys, and I hope this helps you in deciding on what to buy the next time you want to go shopping online. And yeah, like me, I always watch YouTube hauls because that helps me in deciding on what to buy online, especially online, because it's so hard to buy something online because you don't have any idea. You cannot see it for yourself, you cannot touch it for yourself. So I really enjoyed watching other YouTubers doing hauls. That's my favorite videos to watch, haul videos. So yeah, I really do hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more haul videos. And if you have tried some of the products that I've shown to you, let me know in the comment section below. What do you think about these products, especially the Morphe eyeshadows? I really want to hear what are your thoughts about those eyeshadow palettes, because I think I have heard a lot of good things about that palette as well online. So yeah, I think that's it, and thank you so much for watching, guys. And I really appreciate every time you come and watch my video. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I do hope to see you on my next one. And always remember, I'm gonna say this because most of the stuff that I got are makeup related, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you in my next one, guys. Love you all. Peace.